Hey everyone, it's time for another mini skirt video because it's been 3 years since the last one. Can you believe it? That's how long I'm doing this already, and even longer. Wow, crazy. Anyway, I got a lot of mini skirts today, different materials and different shapes. So I'm going to create 4 looks and I'll take you along. I think they're quite cool. All of them are rather gothy and dark. But that's what I like, so let's go. First outfit is this full PVC look because you have PVC skirt, corset, top, and even the boots and the harness. So it's black and shiny. The skirt is from Restyle and the top is from Face. I've got them ages already, as well as the boots. I don't even know what brand the boots are. Anyway, I kind of love this look. It's a lot. I went all in here. And it's probably not the most comfortable look due to the corset here. Still, I think it looks great with all the metal accessories here, the metal parts in the harness. They pull the look together. And every time when I think about mini skirts, I'm not sure about the length. I think this is classified as a mini skirt because it's pretty short actually. But I'm also wearing it in my waist and not on my hips, then it would be longer, of course. But I like this look. It's cute, but also bossy, but also cute with the hair. So for the next outfit I have a green skirt, not black, but the other ones are going to be black afterwards. So let's switch to the only color I have here. It's giving schoolgirl vibes. I don't know, when I saw this skirt, which was on sale, so I bought it, I thought immediately it looks like a school uniform kind of skirt. So that's why I combined it with a blouse I also bought on sale. And I put some high socks on top of the tights to give even more schoolgirl vibes, I don't know, especially with the hair. Kind of cute, don't you think? This is the only colorful skirt I have in this video. Colorful, because the other ones are all black. And I know in my first video I showed like red and rainbow and whatever, but I simply didn't buy a lot of skirts in the last 3 years. This one being the exception. So I don't have any red and rainbow colored skirts anymore. Most of it is black, which is fine by me actually. The 4-letter skirt here and the 4-letter top is a lot together, especially with all the accessories, but I think that's quite cool. Also, I chose the heels that go well with the metal parts because they have metal spikes, yay! And here's a metal spike too, and yeah, the belt is brand new, first time I'm wearing it. I think it's really cool. It's from Disturbia. The skirt is really old and the top as well. I think this was Peter Domini, but yeah, heels are Giaro and tights are just some random no-name tights because I destroy them all the time. So it's easier to use cheap ones. And yeah, it's like giving a lot of sounds, but I think it's quite cool. I would wear this for going out to my favorite golf club or on a nice and not too warm festival day because the top is quite warm. So it's great for, I don't know, slightly rain, 20-degree festival day. It's still really cool. I would not wear these shoes for festival day because as nice as they look, they are not for walking or standing around too long. Mainly for photo shoots and videos. I hope you like this look. I think it's really cool. Off to the next one. The last look, and I can tell you this skirt is so old. I think I bought it when I was 19? Something like that, so almost 15 years ago. And I still own it. because it was very, very dear to me when I was younger and started to go out in the goth scene and wanted to have a cool outfit. So I've worn a lot more mini skirts in the past. I don't know why I switched to leggings. Maybe because it's easier, because you don't have to combine it. But I combined this skirt here with the boots. They fit to the harness I put on top of the top. Put on top of the top, yeah. And also fishnets, because you can never go wrong with a fishnet look here, and I think it fits pretty good together. It's giving a bit of Brad and Avril Lavigne vibes, the skirt, I think. Anyway, the harness is also pretty cool. It's from Subused, a small label from Berlin. I link in the description text whatever I can link, whatever is available still, because obviously the skirt isn't anymore. And yeah, this was my final look. I hope you enjoyed this video and you had fun exploring different mini skirt looks with me. I think that's it for today. Hit the subscribe button and check out my Patreon, because there's a lot of behind the scenes material on my Patreon. My YouTube channel got demonetized a few years ago, so if you want to support me and these videos, check out Patreon. Also write a comment and tell me which one was your favorite look, and I will see you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.